Hello, welcome to my COVID-19 bunker. You like it? So this will be a talking video. I apologize, but I wanted to make another update. Will you guys stop stomping on the stairs? Freaking dogs, every video. I figured this would be a better location to film a talking video instead of just my face. You can see the Tacoma and the motorcycle to keep yourself occupied and not have to stare at only my ugly face. So yeah, last video I mentioned that I was looking for a clean S13 coupe or S14 shell. It seems like everything is plentiful until I want to buy something and then nothing's fucking around or the prices are ridiculous. Just my luck, even though I'm Irish. Anyway, I think it's been like 3 or 4 weeks. I found a coupe, a two-tone coupe early on, like almost immediately after I started looking, but I didn't really want to buy it. It was priced higher than I wanted to pay. And it's a boosted KA24 dual overhead cam. And I didn't really want anything with a motor in it, let alone a more expensive version of a motor I didn't want, because that's just more money that I'm gonna have to pay down the line to SR swap it. But I got them to come down to a pretty good price, so I'm picking up a clean two-tone. It's like the, I don't know exactly what color it is, but it's like the cream with a black secondary color. It's super nice. It's actually one of my favorite colors on the coupe. 89, obviously. Super clean. I don't think there's any body damage from what I can remember, and the paint is not faded from what I can see or dinged up too bad. It has a running and driving, like I said, KA24DE with the CX Racing turbo kit on it. It also has like an angle kit, fuel pump, full interior, yada, yada, yada. It's a solid starting point for the price that I'm gonna be paying. I don't know why my voice is breaking up, sorry. Anyway, so my plan is to get it back here. I'm picking it up Friday. Today is Wednesday, the 22nd of April. Sorry, working from home has my schedule all fucked up. I don't really know what day it is anymore. But, so yeah, I'll be picking it up Friday. It's like a 3.5 hour drive. I'm near Portland. It's all the way past Seattle. So I'll be taking my wife's F-250 and a trailer, and I'll be trailering it. It is in drivable condition, but it won't be for very long. Because like I said, the plan was to find a shell and SR swap it while I'm just getting a running and driving vehicle and gonna SR swap it anyway. So I will be taking it, parking it where the Tacoma sits. The Tacoma's gonna be outside, roughing it for however long it takes, sorry. But I will be pulling the KA with the transmission, the ECU, and the harness, and I will be selling that. It also has an angle kit. I'm not sure what angle kit it is. When I figure out what angle kit it is, I will also be selling that. I think that's all I'm gonna sell off the vehicle. Oh, it also has steel wheels. I may sell those depending on how easy it is for me to find other wheels. I don't really like the steel wheel setup. But yeah, that's the plan. Once I get that stuff sold, I will be buying my SR swap. It will be a full SR swap because like I said, I'm getting rid of all the KA stuff from the intercooler to the transmission is gonna be gone. I think as a welded diff too. I will keep that if I want to drift, but I will probably be installing a viscous limited slip, or I'll just shell out the cash and put in like a real LSD. But yeah, Trying to think what else. So I'll do like a brief little breakdown because I honestly don't even know what parts I'm gonna go with for this build. I just wanted to secure the platform, secure the chassis. So it's gonna be probably an S14 SR20 that I'm swapping into it. And I'll be using a Spec R S15 turbo if I can find it. A Greddy or an HKS intercooler if I can find it. Wiring specialties, harness. And that's like all I have down right now, just because everything's still kind of up in the air and I don't really want to solidify anything without doing a little bit more research and figuring out exactly how I want to use this car. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video to let you know that I'm not slacking. And I do plan on, I'm gonna go buy a phone mount from the store, hopefully by Friday, and then I'll do like a video of me going to get it, because that's kind of entertaining sometimes, so I'll do that. But yeah, I think that's it. I know I said I was gonna do a walk around of this. I still am. I just haven't, I've had time, but I haven't been out on the property that I've wanted to use to make the video. I don't really wanna make it out there in the street because I don't have much space, and it's just awkward. I don't like talking to myself in front of people. I'm not at that stage yet. So I think I'm going over to the property this weekend. Yeah, Sunday, I believe. So I'll do a walk around Sunday. So you'll either see that first or you'll see me picking up the coupe first. Either way, both of those videos are coming. You're actually sitting on a whiteboard right now. I will be using that whiteboard to do like a full breakdown of what we're gonna do to the coupe, plans, so on and so forth. So look forward to that. Trying to make these videos more official, hence the nice background, not just my ugly mug when I'm talking. If you have any suggestions or anything you want to see as far as the bike, the Tacoma, or the 240 goes, let me know and we can go over that stuff. Other than that, just wanted to give you guys that update. Small, not really important update. I sold the Audi. I don't know if I had mentioned that I was in the process of selling that. Sold it. I had it for about a year. Didn't really want the payment. I just wanted to start owning all paid off vehicles now, because my wife and I the plan is to get more property, a house with more property. I like my neighbors, but I don't want neighbors in general. I know a lot of people feel that way. It's just nice to be on your own. You can make as much noise as you want. You don't have to worry about other people. It's just having your own property with a good amount of space is way better, especially for our animals, stuff like that. So yeah, I'm not gonna drag this video out too much longer. I just wanted to give you guys that information. Look forward to that stuff. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.